Oh, this is Jack. He comes from down below.
Is that so? Well, boy chick, welcome to the hen house.
Hey, show me a trick.
Aw, kid, have a heart, will ya? It ain't even noon.
Maybe we'll come back later.
Where are you going? Wait a